Hello, my name is Pamela Buzzard, and I am the librarian for the College of Health and Human Services here at Klein Library. I want to take a moment here to show you the library website. You can access it by typing in nau.edu/library or Googling Klein Library, and it'll be the first thing to come up. Once you get to our page, this is what you'll see. You'll see this big search box here in the middle called Quick Search that we'll go over a little later. There are also some links over here to chat to our phone and to make an appointment with a librarian. You'll also see our hours for the day and a link to see how busy the building is. There's also a space here to reserve rooms and check out laptops and other equipment. I want to show you the Meet with a Librarian link real quick. You can click on this link and it'll bring you to this page. You can scroll down and find my information here. Or you can go up here and use this drop down to choose health sciences. And here will be my information as well. Click on schedule an appointment and you'll get connected with my own personal calendar. You'll see the times that I'm available and you can choose one and hit continue. And you have space here to include information and even upload a file to share with me. Currently only offering virtual and phone appointments. If you would like me to call you, you do need to leave your phone number here in this note space. And if you use Zoom, you will get a link in your email.